Hello everyone, hope you all are doing fine. Today I'll be reviewing this USB juicer maker which you can use to prepare fruit juice, milkshakes, vegetable juice, smoothie. Let me show you a few of the pics which have been shared in the portal. This one shows how you can prepare the juice. You need to cut the fruits into small pieces so that the blades can rotate freely. You can pour some water or milk and just press the power button and the blades rotate and it will do the rest of the thing. It also has a USB charging port, so you can use it on emergency situations. You can charge your phone. It has a 2000 mAh battery. The brand is Pokari. I didn't see the brand name in the box which I have received. It says Juice Cup YE01. There was no booklet in this box. So friend, this is the product. So I've used it to prepare watermelon juice, banana shake, so I was happy with the performance. Just need to ensure to cut the pieces in small so that those pieces won't stuck in this blade while it's rotating. So you just need to press the power button twice, and it has got a strong motor and very sharp blades. There are 3 layers of blades, so in total there are 6 sharp edges. I'll share the link in the description, and if you like the product you can visit the portal and see if you want to purchase it. It's a very useful product. It's portable. You can take it anywhere while you are traveling. It can be very handy. Alright friends, thank you very much. Stay safe and stay healthy.